Alright, the real test is whether it's leaking or not. So, let's get up under here. I have reinstalled the windshield wiper reservoir. I filled it with about a half gallon of water. As far as I can tell, it is not leaking. So there you can see the tube that I bought from Ace Hardware for $1 connected to the pump. Everything's reconnected. So let's go up top, see if it works. Alright, what do you think? Is it gonna work? We have a repaired windshield wiper fluid reservoir. Total cost of repair, $1. Total time to repair, including watching YouTube videos, in about 2 hours. Easy to do. You guys can do this. I hope you found this video helpful. As always, like, comment, and subscribe.